what a stock portfolio is. A portfolio is when you have 2 or more stocks. That can be any amount of stocks you want in your portfolio. But to have a good portfolio, you'll have to have a variety. So what if I bought 3 gold and I had gold in general went down? That will just make me lose money. But to have a steady portfolio, you will have a variety. So what if I bought 1 gold and 1 silver? And the gold went down and the silver went up. The silver would cover the gold's loss. So if the gold lost 30 cents and the silver made 45 cents, I'd still have a profit of 15 cents that day. That's why a portfolio is so important. And knowing what a portfolio is also important. When I first heard of portfolio, I thought it was just a funny word. Just to tell you, sometimes your portfolio doesn't always cover its loss. So if it loses some, don't be discouraged. Don't sell out of stocks. Wait a little bit before you sell. Okay, so I would appreciate it if you liked this video, shared it with all your friends, subscribed, and goodbye. This is where I disappeared.